I love these goggles though. Before I had the glasses and like I had like metal flying from the sides. These, nothing comes in from the sides. Alright, so we're drilling some holes on the roof. We got some preliminary ones here for I'm gonna make those a little bigger and I can put the jigsaw blade in there, and then we cut the holes for the fan. And then there's 4 up there. I don't know if you can see that. Boop, boop. Oh, that's a little easier to see. Made the holes a little bigger. And then you can see my little template here. So the jigsaw is supposed to go in there. I'll cut my lines. Got ourselves all taped out here and measured out. So let's see if I can cut in a straight line. And in case I can't, I got this to guide me. Let's cut our fan holes. So we're back to the old angle grinder. I did that side, gotta finish this one. That ran out of battery, the second battery doesn't work, so here we are. And here we are, we have a hole in the roof. Da, 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 da. It's after 9 o'clock at night, and this is where we're at. There's a hole in the ceiling. So I just gotta keep going until we're done. Keep going till we're done.
What's the finished product look like for the fans?
Well, let's come over here in the front. We have our rainproof fan. It locks into place, and then we pull it down, pull this little knob down and twist. Open it up. That goes about that far. That one is meant to be used even if it's raining. And right now it's just kind of hooked up. Just have it taped up here because we don't have our ceiling panels on. But they're wired up, and we hit the on button. Whoa. Yeah, I don't know if you can even hear me through the fan, but they're pretty powerful. Is it up? Let's see, is it on max? It might be max. And we turn it down, and then I don't know if the camera can pick this up, but there's this in-out button. So that reverses it, so we can do that. Let's see. And then we spin the other direction. There's also this auto button, auto to 78 degrees. The floor is pretty hot, so that really, for us, it's just been kicking it on to the max power. Otherwise, pretty cool fans. We'll come back here. That kind of works. Sliding mechanism is still in progress. This fan I like because it's not rainproof or waterproof, whatever you want to say, but it opens up all the way and it's almost like a skylight. So you can see the clouds from there, and then same thing, it's hooked up. You can turn it on. Still see the clouds, still see the stars. And this one also reverses, so it can pull air in or suck air out. And it's pretty comfortable. I'm a fan of the MaxxAir Fans.
if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the little notification bell so you know when we post our next video. Thanks for watching, everyone.